So first, for integration by parts, we want to find something called UV or ultraviolet voodoo, which is this basically right here. So basically, you want to get U to du, and you want to get dv to v for your formula. Okay, so for u, we'll choose ln of x, and that translates to 1 over x dx. And for dv, we'll choose x d of x. So that translates to x squared over 2. So this is the formula right here that you want to use. F of u and dv equals uv minus the integral of u dv. So if you write it all out, this is what you get. So from there, we'll put this x squared over 2 in front of the ln of x, and from here, these two will bring, and then this right here turns into this because these x's cross out, so you get left with x over 2 dx. And then, so you just fill in what you have. You have x squared over 2 ln x, and now because you have the integral and d of x, you translate this x into an x squared over 2 because you add a 1 to the power, and then you divide by the total. And then for the bottom, you get 1 over 2. And then you have to remember to put plus c. It's very important. So from there, you will multiply these two, and you'll get negative 4x squared, or excuse me, negative x squared over 4 right here. And then you just fill it in, and this is your answer. That's integration by parts. Okay, for here, I took the liberty of writing everything out. So this is the problem right here, the integral of e to the x sine x dx. I'm sorry, e to the power of x. Okay, so we're going to use e to the power of x for u, and for v and dv, we plug in sine of x d of x, which gives us negative cosine of x, and du equals ex, e to the power of x dx. So basically, this is basically what we said, the formula. You just plug everything in, which is pretty simple, and then you end up getting this right here. So this, you have to simplify, and then you get this long equation right here. And then in this area right here, you notice that you can cross out this part right here and add it over here to get 2 integral of e to the power of x sine of x dx equals negative e to the x cosine of x plus e to the power of x sine of x. And then you just divide by 2 and you get your answer. The only part from getting from here to here was basically just doing the product rule for negative e to the x cosine of x plus I, and then this is what you end up getting. And then it's pretty simple and straightforward. So in the next slide, I'll put in some sample problems and some answers, and good luck. So you can pause the video, and here are some sample problems with the detailed solution. And this is my source where I got the problems and the solutions.